5 tips for building walkways and pathways. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Looking to transform your backyard into a dreamy outdoor retreat? Whether you want a cozy garden nook or a pathway to your BBQ area, here are 5 simple but effective tips to build walkways and paths that will elevate your space. Let's get started. First things first, pick a material that fits your backyard makeover vision and budget. Gravel is cost-effective and charming, while pavers give a more polished, modern look. If you love timeless, rustic vibes, natural stone is perfect for you. Choosing the right material sets the tone for your backyard transformation. Lighting doesn't just make your path safer, it adds warmth and visual appeal. Use solar-powered path lights for a budget-friendly, enchanting glow, or LED strips for a sleek, contemporary look. The right lighting can turn a simple backyard walkway into a magical experience. A straight path is functional, but how about adding some personality? Curvy walkways add charm, guide you through your garden, and invite exploration. It's a subtle but powerful way to add character to your backyard. Bring your pathway to life by bordering it with flowers, greenery, or ground cover. These touches not only soften hard edges, but also make your design pop. It's a win-win. Your yard feels lush and connected to nature. Finally, no makeover is complete without safety and durability. Ensure your path is wide enough for easy walking, level it properly, and secure your materials to prevent trips or wobbles. A well-built walkway means beauty that lasts. And there you have it, 5 DIY-friendly ways to create walkways and paths that don't just look great, but also make your backyard functional and inviting. So grab your tools, roll up your sleeves, and let's bring your dream backyard to life. Happy building, and remember to like and subscribe for more DIY makeover inspiration.